Hello, today is the day we're taking a trip to Mason City to take the grandfather clock out there.
You're going to store it there till this fall when it's ready to be put in place and start doing some scares.
Right on.
Here we go.
That's one way to do it. Everything always goes as planned, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, baby.
Ooh, baby, it's a wild.
I thought she was gonna say, ooh, baby, I love your way. Got some tubular bells.
There's a custom fit.
Man.
All right, I'm coming over. Snap.
Not now.
Don't break anything now.
Okay, we're gonna hit the road. Headed out to Mason City, Parr Farms.
See you out there.
We got a brand new microphone. We're testing it out.
Is he John Parr, the singer from the 80s? We don't know. Maybe. Naughty Naughty and St. Elmo's Fire?
Yeah, I think that sounds right. Naughty, naughty.
I haven't got the courage to ask him yet. I should walk right down there and hold the camera's face, say, are you John Parr who sings Naughty Naughty?
Pyrenees, I used to have Pyrenees.
They're sweet pops.
They're
Sweet pops.
Yeah, they're shepherd dogs.
I'm sure they've seen some stuff. Anything in there?
Not right now.
It's all just a spike leaf coming through right now, so you see them.
Oh, wow.
It's gonna show up.
Wow, 1 week old.
Yep.
Wow.
Another week from now, this will be ankle high.
Like I said, these little guys, they stay a tight whirl, push through the ground. Once they know they are safely through the ground, then they unwrap.
For the corn maze, they plant them in like a crisscross pattern.
Yeah.
Like a diagonal.
rows, but they're north-south and east-west, so it's a 30 by 30 grid. There's 43,560 square feet in an acre. So basically, there is 1 foot squared. There'll be a plant. Theoretically, should have a plant about every 8 inches. You know, we want to make sure people get a full experience of what we're doing here, and that's not a rinky-dink mom and pop little shop. Now, we don't have the following that we hope for yet, but it grew immensely last. 2 different people from 2 different communities doing it a couple years apart that have never been here before. And both of them, they both wrote the article and said, this is a hidden gem. You know, if you're not buying a pumpkin, if you're not buying a mum, If you're not going through the maze, if you're not staying and going through the evening maze, everything's free. It's just, you know, a whole afternoon to come play on the swings, have a sandwich, just enjoy the beauty of the country. Come to the petting zoo, play in the corn bin. We have the corn bin up here. We put a foot of corn in that grain silo. And we've got, what, 20, 25 Tonka toy trucks, bulldozers and loaders and scoop shovels. And the thing of it is, I've tried to stay era correct with everything. These carriages are 1902 and 1906. Okay, one's a Veely, which is John Deere's youngest grandson, built these carriages and wagons up in Moline. And in 1906, he quit building carriages and converted the factory. By 1908, he was building automobiles. You can find Veely cars, VCI, LE. Maybe next time you see me, Josie Williams. Well, there's another scene in that same movie where
Hear the rooster crow.
Here we are, we're gonna unload. So this was Parr Farms, owned by John and Rochelle Parr here in Mason City. We hope everybody will come and check them out. They're super family friendly and they're trying to do something really nice out here for the community.
Yep. Come get your mums, get your, look like they have some seasonal plants and pumpkins
begonias
coming up. Yep.
Begonias. Yeah, they have a U-pick pumpkin patch too in the fall, so we were just saying he'll take you on a tractor ride out to the back or wherever he's got the pumpkins planted this year and let you pick your own. I think he also will bring some up because he has a tent up here and he'll have some. If you don't want to go out and pick them, he'll have some that you can just take too. Really nice pumpkins.
Do you know the dates for the maze yet?
The maze opens up the first full weekend in October, which I'm not sure what that weekend is this year, but the first full Friday, Saturday weekend is the first night of the maze. But they opened up their maze like a week before that.
We got a friend here.
Pet me, pet me.
All right. What should I call you? Skull Man.
Skull Man.
Cool. Yeah, what? Gray Skull.
We're back.
Just got back from the farm. Took the grandfather clock out there, and it's great talk with John. It's good to see his passion for trying to reach the community out there. It's just super cool.
Yeah, he's really wanting to do good stuff out there, and he is, you know, he's puts his whole heart into it. And pretty much all his free time is putting on that event for that community.
Yeah, that's the first time I met him, so it was very cool seeing his passion for it.
He's fun to talk to.
Yeah, no doubt about it. Yeah, that'll be something that we're really looking forward to getting some good footage of the of the haunt and getting the grandfather clock in action coming up this fall in October. So, this ends another episode of Old Pals.
Oh, pals, new plans.
Yes. So thanks for joining us on our journey. I did it.
We accept it now.
All right. I can move on.
You can move along on your
Didn't even hurt.
own journey.
Yes.
Till next time, hit that like and subscribe.
And thanks for watching.
Cool.